We are engineering raw industrial cement and shattered crystal into a piece of boutique architectural art. Most people think concrete is utilitarian. We're going to prove it can be luxury. The secret to this build isn't the material, it's the structural chemistry. We've tinted the aggregate with an ultra-matte charcoal pigment. By vibrating the mold to eliminate microcavities, we ensure the outer shell retains a perfectly smooth, brutalist finish that contrasts heavily with what goes inside. Now the fracture. A clean split reveals the porous interior. We are lining this synthetic fault line with raw quartz and a multi-layered, deep indigo resin. If the resin viscosity is off by even a fraction, it will bleed into the porous concrete, ruining the clean, architectural separation between stone and crystal. From raw construction waste to a bespoke, high-end design artifact. This is how you re-engineer everyday materials into elite boutique assets. If you want the exact layout dimensions and material mix ratios for this build, hit subscribe and let's build the next one.